I'll be cooking chocolate crackles today, and the things you'll need is 24 muffin cupcake stories, so you can put them in there, and then little cupcake holders to put in the chocolate crackles when you're done. You'll need a mixing bowl to put everything and mix everything together. You'll need a measuring cup to measure all the different ingredients, and you'll need a pan to melt the cocoa, which you might need an adult for this because it's going to be really hot and you don't want to burn yourself. And then you just need a large spoon to then mix all the ingredients together. So today you'll need 4 cups of rice bubbles. You'll need 1 cup of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 cup of designated coconuts, and 250 grams of cocoa. So we'll put these over here out of the way for now. So measuring 4 cups of rice bubbles. So my measuring cup can go up to 2 cups, so that's 2 cups right there. And I'm just going to do another 2 cups. So that's another 2 cups right there. Coconut. 1 cup. It's very easy to make, very quick. And here we go, 1 cup of icing sugar as well. It's not that many ingredients, not that many tools. So we'll just give that a bit of a mix with the rice bubbles and the coconut. Mix throughout. And the icing sugar, mix around. You just need a tablespoon, which is about that big normally, your biggest spoons that you use at the table, of the cocoa. So just once again using the scissors. So that's about a good tablespoon right there. Alrighty, so we're going to put the fry pan on low, just so then it gives it time to melt and it doesn't burn it or anything like that. So 250 grams. Just going to pop it on the oven, the stove. So I just let the cocoa melt for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I just left it on cool for another 2, just so it doesn't get hot when you're mixing it in. So I'm just going to get the cocoa now from the pan. So it's just like a clear substance, if you can see. Can't really see. Just that looks like water. Just add it in little bits at a time. Yeah, I'll take that back for now. Mix it through. It's coming all sticky and the chocolate's really coming out now. Now the next part is pushing this all, so it's all mixed now. So the next part now is putting it into the cupcake molds. You can either do this using a spoon, or if you want to be really fun, I personally did it for myself. I actually use my hands to mold it into a nice sphere and then put it in. But before you do this, you need to make sure you wash your hands. So then, alrighty. So all mixed together. Fill them up halfway, all of them, just to see then how much you got left over, and if you can fill some up, you can. So there's one done. Then once I've put all these in there, I'm going to put it in the fridge for a couple of hours to set, so then the chocolate can harden up and then everything else hardens up, and then they'll be ready to eat. So after a couple of hours refrigerated, I've made 24 chocolate crackles, as you can see. Nice and hard. Yum.